Hi, in front of me is Motorola Moto G10 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply colorful edges on this device. Firstly, go into Play Store and type edges. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it. Tap on this theme, name it and choose OK Creative. Over here you can customize your edges however you want to. For example, you can change run style, add pattern, change animation speed, border size and even adjust it to the notch. When you're done, but you want to leave your current wallpaper, you can tap on one of these sources like photos. Then pick a photo by tapping on it, adjust it and click at the top right corner. Choose Create. Tap on theme that you created and choose Enable Wallpaper. Then tap on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my edges were successfully applied. But if you want to see them when you use apps, you can always go back into the app, choose Home, scroll all the way down and tap on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other App. Choose Yes. Find Edges app over here, tap on it and click on the switcher next to Allow Display over other apps. Go back, tap on the same switcher one more time, and as you can see, now I can see my edges when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!